Good afternoon, everyone. Today's video is the premiere party. So come along with me as I show you my foyer decorated for Christmas. I'm gonna let you take a look at everything, and then what I'll do, I'll come back and tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so now I'll tell you a little bit about what I have here. The dress form Christmas tree was from Big Lots. I bought it a couple of years ago when they were having their 90% off sale. I paid $12.99 for it. It was regular $129. So now I'll go ahead and show you the black Christmas trees. They were from Hobby Lobby. And the reindeer here was also from Hobby Lobby. And as you can see, what I've done, I've went ahead and put a set of beads around the neck of it. The Tom Ford book was a DIY, and the Vogue book was from Amazon. My Santa Claus here was a gift from a friend. And the beautiful lamp was a Goodwill find. The reindeers that I have here on the bottom were from Hobby Lobby. I have one on each side, and they are sitting on the boxes from Ross's. The Christmas trees were from Hobby Lobby also, and they were from that 90% sale. I have one on each side. In the middle, the floral arrangement, I have the black and white poinsettias. They were from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so let's go over here and take a look at the shelf. Again, I have the black velvet Christmas trees. They were from Hobby Lobby. The beautiful golden slippers were also from Hobby Lobby. The little houses were from Goodwill. The Starburst there was from Burlington's, and the box was from Ross's. Down below, the little golden trees you see here were from the Dollar Tree. The beautiful black vase in the back was from Hobby Lobby. On this shelf, the Thinking Man was from Hobby Lobby. The little Christmas house with the wreath was from Target. and the spear was from Hobby Lobby. On the bottom, I have placed a dough bowl with the Christmas ornaments. That bowl was from Goodwill. The little black house was also a Goodwill find. So that is my foyer that I have decorated for the Christmas holiday. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Christmas foyer refresh. I also want to thank my new subscribers. As you know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of the design family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. I'm gonna let you take another look at everything. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.